Good news Cebu, nangita ba ka og negosyo nga garantisado nga saleable gyud kayo. Plus no franchise fee pa gyud. Sama na lang aning sanitary ug home care products. Basin mao na gini ang para sa imuha kay ang Sabon Station naa na gyud diri sa Cebu. And for as low as 10,000 pesos lang, pwede na ka ma-wholesaler ani nga kumpanya. Mong tara, ubani ko ninyo og atong i-explore ang ilang mga produkto. Sa entrance pa lang, makita na gyud nato diri ilang mga available nga produkto in different variants and naka-indicate pa gyud ang suggested retail price. And this side na diri ilang production and warehouse gyud mismo. Look at this. Pero no entry ha diri ra ta kutob. Diri nila gina-mix, ginahimo ang ilang mga produkto. So guys, I have here Miss Mutya, the sales and marketing head dito sa Cebu Sabon Station. So Miss, ano yung mga products and brands under Sabon Station?
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Sabon Station Cebu. We have the Fab Care, we have the Top Bright, we have also the Son Etsa, we have the Fabs.
So we have 4, Miss, no?
Yes, we have 4 categories here in Sabon Station Cebu.
This is so exciting. This is the products that we can introduce to the community. Isa-isahin natin.
Sige, sir. This one po is sa category po siya ng Top Bright. So, we have the liquid detergent. We have the Fabcon.
So, basically, ito talaga yung main product,
yes,
no?
po, sa Top Bright. Yan.
So, we have detergent.
Yes, detergent. We have the dishwashing
liquid. And iba-iba yung kulay, meaning...
Yes, sa per color, iba't iba ang scent niya.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
So, ano pa, Miss? Dishwashing, we have
the hand soap.
We have also hand soap.
We have the hand soap po.
So, iba yung dishwashing, iba din yung hand soap.
Yes, opo. We have the Fabcon right here.
So, gamit pang laba.
Yes, opo. Pampabawa ng inyong nilabhan. Actually, for the Top Bright, we have alcohol. So, we have different scent of alcohol din po.
Ano to, Miss? Fabric spray?
This is the fabric spray. So, mabenta po to for our laundry shop.
So, if you have restaurant, if you have laundry, this is the perfect place na, no? So,
yes,
all
we
in
can
one
supply you po.
So, other brand, Miss, what is the other brand under?
So, let's go with the Fabs. Ayan.
With the Fabs Care.
Yes, we have the Fab Care po for car shampoo, ayan. Then we have, for our motorcycle riders po, we have the spray po sa inyong mga helmet, sanitized helmet, available here po.
Grabe no, if you have automotive nga shop or like a car wash business, pwede kayo ni diri guys. If you have motorcycle shop, they have motorcycle helmet spray, halos na din mga wax,
yes, we have wax din, guys. We have a lots of products po talaga.
So ano pang iba, Miss?
So we have the Fab Care right here.
Fab Care, punta tayo sa kabila.
So, dito sa side na to, we have the Fab Care and the Son Etsa. We have the muscle pain. Kung may masakit sa inyong likod, you can put po sa inyong mga masasakit na part na katawan.
Perfect to guys sa mga tita at tito. Ito na yung kasama natin lagi. Muscle pain killer. Pwede.
Yes. And for your babies, we have this product po. If kinakabag siya, you can put this po sa mga babies nyo. And it's very safe. And we have also po, yung mga masakit po ang ulo natin, amuyin nyo lang po si relief balm and then pwede nyo din po ilagay dito. Napakagandang product.
And we have different
scent. Ayan. Sa Fab Care, we have the massage lotion then available. Hello sa mga merong spa dyan. And we can offer you different scent din.
Alright.
And Son Etsa po, it's a perfume po. And also we have para sa mga rooms ng mga hotel or your living area, meron din tayong available na product.
So perfect if you have like pension house or
yes, opo.
Pwede
Airbnb. If you have Airbnb, you can use this one.
Nice.
Ayan.
Paano sila pwedeng mag-inquire dito sa business na to? Again, I'm telling you, for as low as 10,000 pesos, pwede ka nang maging wholesaler sa company na ito.
So, pwede po kayo mag-visit sa Facebook page natin, Sabon Station Cebu, or pwede po kayo mag-drop by here sa Archbishop Reyes Avenue, Lahog, Forum Building, beside Juanito.
Inquire na, and they offer no franchise fee, no royalty fee. Sabon Station, inquire na mo. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Miss.
Thank you, sir.